So here's the problem: we're losing water out of the discharge port because this vein in here that's directing the water flow from the pump is the bottom of it. It's probably bad. We'll take it apart and check it out. So if you can see this on the bottom, that whole gasket on the bottom is all destroyed, starting to come out there. That's just letting the water blow by, going out the backwash discharge, going into the waste. There's where it sits. Try to clean that up a little bit. It's got a bunch of gummy rubber stuck to it. And while we're at it, we'll change this gasket right here. This thing's 10 years old. And one thing I noticed when I was doing it, you see a little screw in here. Take that out. I'll let you get this whole unit out. Here's the broken spring. This is a Pentari setup. This isn't a Hayward. I just got this sticker. Same on the Hayward and the Pentari, the locations. Replace this gasket. Orientated right, you can kind of see there's a notch right here. That will be up towards the filtration, and this gap, this hole right here, will be on the filtration. This new spring is going to make it tough to get tapped back in there. The screw. I'll clean some of this gasket material off here. Super sticky. Don't want it balling up and interfering with the surface. press the spring enough. Hopefully I can press the spring enough that I can get this screw through here. You have to have it lined up just like this to access that screw hole. Well, the spring is tight. I'll loosen up as we go. Alright, let's turn it back on. Alright, got it all back together. Checking for any leaks out of this seal. So you can see it's coming out the discharge.